you're watching Flavors and it's me Sakshi, your host in those. All of us love pizzas, don't we? But today, why not we make an innovative variety of them called the Zucchini Crust Fusion Pizzas, in which we're going to make the crust out of zucchini and oats and we're going to top it up with a Mexican topping. Sounds interesting, right? So let's get started. Let's start with making the crust. So here I have some green zucchini. So I just took 1 cup of green zucchini, grated it and added just a bit of salt and kept it for 5 to 10 minutes so that the zucchini can lose water. And after 5 to 10 minutes, I have here half a cup of ready zucchini. You can even take yellow color. So let's add it to a bowl. Next I'm gonna add in oats as I said. So half cup of zucchini, half cup of oats. Now so that our crust can be crispy, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour, but you may also add in corn flour. Next I'm adding some salt to taste. Then let's add in some chili flakes. I like the crust to be spicy, so I'm adding some chili flakes. And next let's add in some oregano. And some cracked black pepper. And now you can preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Next, let's add in 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. And now let's knead the dough. I suggest kneading with your hands. Let's add in about 1 teaspoon of oil. So now our dough is ready, as you can see. So now to knead it, just add a bit of oil in your hands. Alright, so now we just try kneading it a bit with our hands. Now a rolling pan, we'll just grease it with oat powder and we'll put this on it. Also flatten it out with the help of our fingers. Alright, so now this is ready. It's about 1/2 inch thick, so it's nice and round. Now we'll place it in a baking tray which is lined with butter paper. So this is kept in the baking tray. Now we'll prick it so that it does not fluff up and we get it a crispy crust. So it's been 10 minutes since the oven has been preheated. So now we will bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so until our crust bakes, let's make the topping. I am here making a Mexican topping, but if you wish, you may make it Italian, Chinese or Indian, anyhow. Alright, so let me add in a bit of oil. Now you may just take only vegetables if you wish, but if you saute them, you'll get a really unique flavor. Alright, so I'm adding some green and red bell peppers. You may add in any color or you may only add in green. Next, the corn. Next, I'm adding some cottage cheese or paneer because I really love paneer in pizzas. The spices are up to you. I'm adding some chili flakes, some black pepper powder, some white pepper, some basil and some oregano. Okay, so now I'm just offing the gas. You don't want to cook the vegetables, just to give them that flavor, and salt we add in the end. Okay, so now our pizza base is ready. So you want to cook it for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and cook it for 10 more minutes at 250 degrees so that it becomes nice and crisp, and then you flip it over and cook it for another 5 minutes so that the pizza base cooks from both the sides. You might have noticed that the pizza base took more time than the normal pizza base. That's because we've added a vegetable in the dough, so it will take time to cook it. Okay, so now time to assemble. You might have noticed we did not add any salt in the mixture. So I'll just add in salt now. So that, we didn't add before so that the vegetables won't lose water. So now I'll place the pizza sauce on the base. I have here some giant pizza sauce. You can check out our video on how to make some giant pizza sauce. Now I'm adding some mozzarella cheese. If you don't want to add in any topping, then you can just cook it like this. It'll make a cheese pizza. Now let's place the topping on it. So spread the topping everywhere. I'm also going to put some olives. These are optional. Now I'll tear and put some basil leaves. These are optional. I put some more cheese from the top. So now our pizza is ready. Let's again bake it so that the cheese melts. So there you go. Your delicious zucchini crust fusion pizza is ready. It looks so tempting and I served it along with the topping. Time to taste. Its taste is just fab. If you think of giving this wonderful recipe a try, then tell us how it turned out in the comment section below. And yes, you can also log on to our Facebook page for much more interesting videos and recipes. Till then, it's me Sakshi signing off. Goodbye!